Guys, naglabasan ng mga 5G phones and one of my favorite 5G phones na hawak ko is the Poco M3 Pro 5G. It's 5G ready. Ang bilis natin makasagad ng signal. Tara, libot muna tayo sa Metro Manila and test natin iba-ibang telco to see if it's really 5G or not. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond and welcome back to my channel. So lumibot tayo sa Metro Manila into 4 cities to check out these big telcos if they are giving us 5G signals pagsaksak natin ng SIM card. And these 4 telcos are Globe, Smart, Gomo, and Dito. So tinest natin itong 4 ng telco and isa-segment natin into 4 cities. We'll start off with first sa Malabon, second sa Caloocan, third sa Manila, and fourth sa Quezon City. Tara, let's roll! So guys, hawak natin right now ang Poco M3 Pro 5G. So nandito tayo sa Caloocan, sa Monumento, and we want to try and see yung speed test So nandito right now sa loob ng aking phone is Smart na 5G SIM together with a Gomo na 5G SIM din as well. So right now, let's check my location. Nandito tayo dito tayo sa Caloocan, malapit tayo sa Monumento. Here, this is Monumento Circle. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung SIM ko na nakasalpak dito. Okay, so it's a Gomo SIM and a Smart SIM. So, kita natin na yung second SIM ko Smart is already on 5G. So, magsi-speed test muna tayo before we move on to the other SIM. So, tingnan natin kung mabilis nga ba ang 5G sagap ng 5G dito sa Poco M3 Pro 5G. So right now it's running at around 150, close to 150 Mbps. Okay, so it's still going higher. 180, 190 nagtapos ang download speed sa Smart 5G. So tingnan natin dito sa upload speed niya. So it's running at around 35. Okay, so medyo okay naman ang score niya pero of course it could have been better. Syempre 5G natin hindi po ganoon ka-stable dito. Then right now, next is let's go and switch over yung SIM natin to the other one sa Gomo. Just need to switch our data card. Guys, before ko makalimutan, always put yung yung preferred network type to 5G para makasagap kayo ng 5G na maayos. Then next is to speed test again. So X lang natin to. So kita natin Globe Telecom. Si Gomo is operated by Globe Telecom. So yan. Yan natin kung anong speed na masasagap niya, no? And it's already running on 5G din. So medyo mabagal lang kanyang initial start na 50 Mbps lang siya, no? And unti-unti siya humahabol, pero still below 100 pa rin siya for a 5G. Kanyang upload speed is also bad at around 3 Mbps. Okay, so hindi siya umakyat, bumaba pa siya ng 2, umakyat ulit ng 3, and probably dyan ang magtatapos siya around 3 Mbps. And totoo nga, 72 ang download speed and 3 Mbps ang kanyang upload speed for 5G dito sa GOMO SIM. So okay guys, we have switched over to Globe Network, and nakita natin right now I'm running 5G over here. So test lang natin yung speed test dito sa Caloocan where I'm currently at. So tingnan natin kung mabilis nga ba siya dito sa Poco M3 Pro 5G. So let's start. So hindi siya nagkakalayo sa GOMO in terms of speed, no. So roughly naglalaro siya within 50. So talagang somewhere there lang ang speed ni Globe. So diyan natin makikita yung speed ng mga networks pagdating sa 5G, wherein Smart is a little bit faster, almost double ng Globe. So ayan, 4, 5 lang din ang kanyang upload speed. So dito sa Monumento medyo mabagal pang 5G ni Globe dito using the Poco M3 Pro 5G.
So guys, nakita na natin ang performance nitong Poco M3 Pro 5G. And masasabi ko sa inyo, ang bilis niya makasagap ng 5G. Pag saksak mo, of course, siyempre lalagay mo ang preferred network mo is 5G. And immediately nakakuha siya ng 5G signal. Pero, tunay nga ba 5G yan? O hindi? Siyempre, nakadepende yan sa telco. Panoorin nyo ang next video ko and I'll show you if your 5G signal is real or fake. So if you learned something and you've liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here sa akin channel. And guys, of course, ongoing pa rin ang akin road to 100,000 subscribers. Massive giveaway. I'm giving out 1 out of 3 premium phones. Pag once umabot tayo ng 100,000 subs, magpipick agad tayo ng 3 winners. Sana sumali kayo and I hope to see you on the next video. See ya!